Introducing the Lumex Tri-Step Cane, the perfect partner to aid in your support, confidence, and independence. Designed with a smart 3-point contact base, the Tri-Step Cane stands upright all by itself. No more worrying about where to lean your cane. Dropped your cane? No problem. Just step on the side of the base to bring it back up. No bending needed. Enjoy a secure and comfortable grip with the ergonomically contoured handle, perfect for everyday use. Lightweight and foldable, the Tri-Step Cane is designed for convenience and easy storage, wherever life takes you. Customizable to fit you, easily adjusts in height from 33 to 37 inches. Make it yours with 4 vibrant colors: black, blue, green, and pink. Strong yet light, the Tri-Step supports up to 300 pounds and weighs just over 1 pound. Backed by a 3-year Grahamfield limited warranty, because quality and peace of mind matter. The Lumex Tri-Step Cane. Stand tall, move freely, live confidently. For more information on our Tri-Step Canes, go to www.grahamfield.com.